Look at this. The school is holding a science fair next month.
A science fair? That sounds amazing! Can I sign up? Please? I really want to enter. I want to build a volcano, a real one that actually erupts.
That is a fantastic idea, Tyler. It will take some careful planning, though. That is strange. Nothing happened at all.
Why isn't it working? I followed every step. It worked! It just worked really, really late!
Well, I suppose that answers that question.
May I have everyone's attention, please? It is time for the results.
Please, please let Tyler win something.
Look at this. The school is holding a science fair next month.
A science fair? That sounds amazing! Oh, how wonderful!
You could enter a project, Tyler.
Yeah! Can I sign up? Please? I really want to enter.
Of course you can sign up. We will help you with whatever project you choose.
I don't know, Tyler. Marcus wins that fair every single year. He is really good at this stuff.
Maybe. But I am going to try my best anyway. Are you going to the game later?
Yeah, maybe. I have to study.
See you in class! Marcus Bennett, he already signed up first.
Oh, you are entering this year too? That's cute.
Yeah, I am. I have a really good idea.
Good luck with that. I have won this fair 3 years in a row.
We will see about that.
I saw you talking to Marcus. He can be kind of a lot sometimes.
I don't care. I am going to build something amazing.
Good. That's the spirit. I believe in you, Tyler.
Thanks, Ryan. That means a lot.
Anytime, buddy.
A volcano. A real exploding volcano. That would be incredible.
I want to build a volcano, a real one that actually erupts.
That is a fantastic idea, Tyler. It will take some careful planning, though.
I remember making a volcano when I was your age. It was so much fun. Wow, Tyler, that actually looks really good. How is it going to work? Baking soda and vinegar. It makes real foam come out the top.
This is a great plan, Tyler. Let's start building this weekend.
Really? Thank you, Dad. I cannot wait.
All right, first we shape the wire around the bottle to make the mountain.
This is going to be the coolest volcano ever.
See how it forms the shape of a mountain? Now we cover it with paper mache.
You two look like you are having so much fun out here.
Mom, look! It is already starting to look like a real mountain. This is going to be amazing. I just know it. Okay, it is time for the big test. Let's make it erupt. Here it comes. Here it comes.
That is strange. Nothing happened at all.
Why isn't it working? I followed every step. It worked! It just worked really, really late!
Well, I suppose that answers that question.
Maybe Marcus is right. Maybe I am just not good at this.
I do not think I even want to enter anymore.
Tyler has been out there alone for almost an hour. I think we should talk to him.
He worked so hard on that project. I hate seeing him discouraged.
I know. Let's go check on him.
Tyler, why are you sitting out here all alone? My volcano broke, Zoe. I don't think I can fix it in time. When my tower of blocks falls down, I don't stop building. I just build it stronger.
You know what, Zoe? You are right. I can fix this. I am not giving up.
That's the spirit, Tyler. Let's rebuild it together, stronger this time. This time we reinforce the base and measure the vinegar exactly. No guessing.
Got it. Careful and precise, just like a real scientist. Exactly 2 tablespoons. Writing it down now.
It looks so much better this time. I think we actually did it right.
You did it right, Tyler. I am really proud of you.
No matter what happens at the fair, you already won in my eyes.
Wow, really? Thanks, Lisa.
Yay, best project!
That's right, sweetie.
Careful going through here. Almost to your classroom.
I've got it. I am not letting this thing fall now.
Is that wrapped in a towel? That's your presentation?
It's protected. It still works perfectly. Mine has real data charts and a laminated poster. Good luck competing with that. Don't listen to him, Tyler. Charts don't matter if the volcano doesn't even work right.
I hope you're right, Ryan. Tomorrow is the big day. What if it does not work? What if everyone laughs at me? I heard you thinking all the way from the hallway. I am scared, Mom. It's okay, sweetie. I'm right here. Thank you, Mom.
Being scared is okay. It means you care. Just do your best tomorrow. That is all.
Hey, can I come in for a minute? Sure, Ryan. I am not sleeping anyway. Do you remember why you signed up? Because I wanted to try something hard. That is already winning, no matter what happens. Thanks, Ryan. I feel a little braver now. Okay, this is it. My table. Please, please work today.
I see him! I see Tyler over there!
There he is. Look at that, it looks amazing, Tyler.
Thanks, Dad. I am really nervous.
Hello there. Please tell us about your project.
Hi, it's a volcano. I made it erupt with baking soda and vinegar. This is a model volcano. It shows how real volcanoes erupt. Inside is baking soda and vinegar. They mix together and foam comes out.
Very good. Now let's see it in action.
Here we go. Watch closely. No, please, not now. The tube, it's bent. There, that should fix it.
It worked! It actually worked!
Well done. That was very well handled.
My project shows how erosion changes mountains over time. I measured this over 3 whole weeks, every single day.
His project is really good, Ryan. Yours is good too, Tyler. Different, but good.
Maybe he really does deserve to win.
They are deciding now.
Whatever happens, we are proud of you, Tyler.
Please, please let Tyler win something.
May I have everyone's attention, please? It is time for the results. First place goes to Marcus Bennett for his outstanding erosion project.
Congratulations, Marcus. You really earned it.
And this year we have a special new award, Most Creative Presentation. This goes to Tyler Carter for his brave live demonstration.
Me? It's me?
That's my brother! That's my brother!
Tyler won! Tyler really won!
That fixed when it stopped working. That was really smart.
Thanks, Marcus. Your project was amazing too. Congratulations, Tyler. You should be very proud.
We are so proud of you, Tyler. Tonight, we celebrate our brave scientist.
You are the bravest scientist I know, Tyler.
Trying hard matters more than winning. You showed us that.
Thank you, everyone, for believing in me.